Hello children, today we will know about the location of the northern plains. The northern plains lie between the Himalayas and the southern plateaus. The flat and level northern plains stretch from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. Cover almost the whole of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, West Bengal, parts of Bihar and Assam. The northern plains are very fertile plains, rich in alluvial soil in most parts. Important cities in the northern plains are Amritsar, Delhi, Agra, Kanpur, Lucknow, Allahabad, Varanasi, Patna, Kolkata, Guwahati and Chandigarh. Now let us discuss about Himalayan rivers. Many rivers which start from the Himalayas flow through this region. Some of these are Satluj, Ganga, Brahmaputra and Yamuna. They carry mountain soil called silt or alluvium and deposit it on their banks. These are snow-fed rivers, so they have water throughout the year. The northern plains are the largest and most fertile plains of the world. This area is called the rice bowl of India, as most of the India's rice is grown here. Children, in last class I discussed about the northern plains, and in first part of the video I discussed about the location of northern plains. And let us discuss now the meaning of tributary, distributary, alluvium and basin. Smaller river that joins the main river is called tributary. The total area drained by or watered by a river is called a basin. Silt deposited on the banks of rivers is called alluvium. Main river breaks up into smaller rivers, then these rivers are called distributary rivers. There are three river basins in the northern plains. They are the Satluj basin, the Ganga basin and the Brahmaputra basin. Now let us know about the location of these basins. Satluj river basin is located in the west, Ganga river basin is located in the middle and the Brahmaputra river basin is located in the eastern side of India. Now I am telling you about the Satluj basin. The Satluj basin is watered by the river Satluj and its tributaries. Main river is Satluj here, which joins the Indus river in Pakistan and finally falls into the Arabian Sea. Punjab and Haryana are the two important cities in here. Wheat is the main crop of this basin. Bhakra Nangal Dam is constructed on the river Satluj, which is the highest dam of India. Now I am going to tell you about the next basin, that is the Ganga basin. The Ganga river originates from the Gangotri glacier, which is located in the Himalayas. It flows through Uttarakhand, Bihar, West Bengal and falls into the Bay of Bengal. It is known as Hooghly and the other branch it enters Bangladesh, where it is known as Padma. The main tributary river of Ganga is Yamuna. The Ganga river joined with the river Yamuna near Allahabad. Basin of the northern plains is the Brahmaputra river basin. The Brahmaputra river originates in Tibet, where it is known as Sangpo. Then it enters India through Arunachal Pradesh and flows through Assam and then enters Bangladesh, where it joins Padma river and forms Sundarban Delta. Hope you understood the journey of the rivers. Thank you.